Pa, pa, a, I, a, I, a. First question.
So, when we're dancing to the bass, you use the other counts like more syncopated?
Mostly I use tumbao because it's dramatic instrument, dramatic chord, dramatic rhythm. 2, 3, 4, and 6 and 7, 8 and 8 and. For your shoulders. 2, 3, 4 and. Aki, boom, boom, aki, aki, ki, boom, boom. Go! Every hits. Give me 5 and 8 is the same sound with 5 and 8. Give me this and pass it. 5 and 8. Come in the break. 5 and 8. 5. I will give you a system very simply. And 2, 3, 5 and 8. Basic. Go. Go. Ready for the break? Okay, all choreography, all with the bass. Go. Tumbao. I. Use O. Clave only when it's the break. And go. All routine. Bass, bass. Ta, tuku, tukum. Bass. Go. Bass, bass. Pa. Go. Go. Bass. Tumbao. Clave.